Hi everyone. Welcome to English with BU. Today, we will practice listening and speaking skills. So, it helps to learn new vocabulary and expressions. Now, let's learn a new topic.
Our topic today is my hobbies. Now listen carefully.
Hi, I'm Tom. As I sit down to reflect on my hobbies, I realize how they shape my world in unique and wonderful ways. Each hobby offers a glimpse into a different aspect of my personality, allowing me to explore and grow in ways I never imagined. One of my favorite hobbies is reading. The feel of a book in my hands, the rustle of pages as I turn them, and the smell of ink on paper transport me to worlds both familiar and unknown. Through books, I have traveled to distant lands, learned about different cultures, and delved into the depths of human emotions. The education I gain from reading is invaluable, broadening my perspective and enriching my understanding of the world around me. Another hobby that fascinates me is gardening. The act of planting a seed, nurturing it as it grows, and witnessing the beauty of blooming flowers or bountiful vegetables fills me with a sense of wonder and accomplishment. In the real world of my garden, I learn patience, perseverance, and the importance of caring for living things. Cooking is another hobby that holds a special place in my heart. The sizzle of vegetables in a pan, the aroma of spices filling the air, and the colorful array of ingredients on my countertop all come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Through cooking, I not only nourish my body, but also feed my soul with creativity and joy. The fascinating alchemy of ingredients transforming into a delicious meal never fails to amaze me. Lastly, my hobby of photography allows me to capture fleeting moments and preserve them for eternity. With a simple click of a button, I freeze time and create memories that will last a lifetime. Through my camera lens, I see the world in a new light, noticing the beauty in the everyday and finding art in the mundane. In the tapestry of my hobbies, I find threads of education, fascination, and connection to the real world, teaching me valuable lessons and sparking my curiosity. Through my hobbies, I discover more about myself and the world around me, creating a rich and fulfilling tapestry of experiences.
Let's learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions to improve your English.
Perspective noun is the way someone sees or understands something. Example, he brings a new perspective to the job. Invaluable adjective mean is extremely useful. Example, the new job will provide you with invaluable experience. Fascinates, verb mean is to interest someone a lot. Example, science has always fascinated me. Bountiful, adjective describes something as plentiful, abundant, or ample in quantity. Example, we found a bountiful supply of coconuts on the island. Accomplishment noun is achieving a goal, completing a task, feeling satisfied and proud. Example, we celebrated the successful accomplishment of our task. Patience, noun mean is staying calm and tolerant during delays or challenges, waiting without frustration. Example, we celebrated the successful accomplishment of our task. Ingredients noun is a food that is used with other foods in the preparation of a particular dish. Example, I'm preparing a lot of ingredients before cooking dinner. Listen to the story carefully one more time.
Hi, I'm Tom. As I sit down to reflect on my hobbies, I realize how they shape my world in unique and wonderful ways. Each hobby offers a glimpse into a different aspect of my personality, allowing me to explore and grow in ways I never imagined. One of my favorite hobbies is reading. The feel of a book in my hands, the rustle of pages as I turn them, and the smell of ink on paper transport me to worlds both familiar and unknown. Through books, I have traveled to distant lands, learned about different cultures, and delved into the depths of human emotions. The education I gain from reading is invaluable, broadening my perspective and enriching my understanding of the world around me. Another hobby that fascinates me is gardening. The act of planting a seed, nurturing it as it grows, and witnessing the beauty of blooming flowers or bountiful vegetables fills me with a sense of wonder and accomplishment. In the real world of my garden, I learn patience, perseverance, and the importance of caring for living things. Cooking is another hobby that holds a special place in my heart. The sizzle of vegetables in a pan, the aroma of spices filling the air, and the colorful array of ingredients on my countertop all come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Through cooking, I not only nourish my body, but also feed my soul with creativity and joy. The fascinating alchemy of ingredients transforming into a delicious meal never fails to amaze me. Lastly, my hobby of photography allows me to capture fleeting moments and preserve them for eternity. With a simple click of a button, I freeze time and create memories that will last a lifetime. Through my camera lens, I see the world in a new light, noticing the beauty in the everyday and finding art in the mundane. In the tapestry of my hobbies, I find threads of education, fascination, and connection to the real world, teaching me valuable lessons and sparking my curiosity. Through my hobbies, I discover more about myself and the world around me, creating a rich and fulfilling tapestry of experiences.
Now, it's time to practice and answer some questions. It helps to understand and is effective for memorizing this topic. Question 1. Hobbies can shape one's world in ... ways. The correct answer is B. Unique and wonderful. Question 2. According to the passage, what does reading provide the author with? The correct answer is C. Education and perspective. Question 3. According to the passage, what does reading, which hobby teaches the author patience, perseverance, and the importance of caring for living things? The correct answer is B. Gardening. The question 4. What fills the author with a sense of wonder and accomplishment in gardening? The correct answer is A. Witnessing the beauty of blooming flowers or bountiful vegetables. The question 5. What does the author not mention as a sensory experience of cooking? The correct answer is D. The feeling of a book in hand. Great job today! Keep up the good work, and don't forget, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.